Our colleagues who lead with Earth Green energy are the natural team players. What gives them a wonderful day at work is the opportunity to support others, to work in a stable environment, and also to collaborate. They are brilliant at getting everybody onto the same page. They are like the engine oil of the team. They're just very good at helping to connect others and to help others see each other's perspectives and to navigate through conflict. Um, they are very strong at celebrating others and take huge pleasure when other people have wins. They've got enormous amounts of empathy, and particularly when they're sitting in a senior leadership team, they really understand how others will respond to new ideas within the organisation. They are brilliant at working with colleagues who are more focused on the strategy and the plans and helping those colleagues to really think about the so what. How will those strategies and plans land with colleagues around the organisation, and what do we need to be doing in order to help manage change in the organisation? They tend to be very discreet. They're often very kind. There's a humbleness there. They'll often underplay their role. If you are managing somebody who leads with this colour, it's very easy to underestimate what they're delivering because they very rarely put their head above the parapet and tell you. There's a calmness there, there's a warmth. When you're in a conversation, you will end up doing 90% of the talking and they will do 10% because they're always more interested in what you've got to say than what they will contribute. They have a huge loyalty to the team. And I guess their one watch out is because there's often quite a lot of people-pleasing behaviour there, they often want to avoid conflict themselves, and hence they may step into passive-aggressive behaviour. So again, that's often the development area for those of us who lead with Earth Green.